good.
Yeah, that's the type
See, you know, bro, you know
Yeah.
what's funny, bro. And this is what I've always wanted to do. It doesn't matter what the fuck I'm doing. I just want to fucking create shit with my homies.
Yeah, just something. Just anything that's fun like this.
Yes, sir.
So is it recording?
Yep.
Okay.
We're recording. This is fucking cool.
All right.
Remember to look up at your targets and stuff.
To kind of make sure it's recording it.
Right, perfect. Wait, let me see what it looks like. I'm gonna raise her up a little bit. Okay. Like right there is perfect.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit more. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. All right, I want to try it now.
Okay.